Hurricanes and typhoons are powerful tropical cyclones that cause significant damage and impact millions of lives each year. While they share many characteristics, their differences are primarily geographic. A tropical cyclone is a rapidly rotating storm system characterized by a low pressure center, strong winds, and a spiral arrangement of thunderstorms producing heavy rain. These systems are called hurricanes, typhoons, or simply cyclones, depending on their location. Hurricanes form over the Atlantic Ocean, the Northeast Pacific Ocean east of the International Dateline, and the South Pacific Ocean east of 160 degrees east. The term hurricane originates from Huracan, a word used by the indigenous Taíno people of the Caribbean to describe the god of evil spirits and weather. Hurricanes develop over warm ocean waters, typically between 5 degrees and 30 degrees latitude north and south of the equator, where sea surface temperatures exceed 26 degrees Celsius, 79 degrees Fahrenheit. They are categorized using the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale, which ranks them from Category 1, least severe, to Category 5, most severe, based on sustained wind speeds. Typhoons, on the other hand, occur in the Northwest Pacific Ocean, west of the International Dateline. The term typhoon likely derives from the Chinese word taifeng, meaning great wind, or from the Greek word typhon, meaning whirlwind. Typhoons also form over warm ocean waters, under similar conditions to hurricanes, and are categorized using similar intensity scales. The Western Pacific is the most active tropical cyclone basin in the world, with typhoons often being more frequent and intense than hurricanes in the Atlantic. Despite these geographic distinctions, hurricanes and typhoons share several key characteristics. Both systems are driven by the release of latent heat from condensing water vapor, which fuels their powerful winds and heavy rains. They exhibit similar structural features, including an eye, a calm center, an eye wall, the area of strongest winds surrounding the eye, and spiral rain bands extending outward. The impact of these tropical cyclones can be devastating. High winds can destroy buildings and infrastructure, while heavy rains can cause flooding and landslides. Storm surges, the rise in sea level caused by the cyclone's winds, can inundate coastal areas, leading to significant loss of life and property. The economic cost of hurricanes and typhoons can run into billions of dollars, with long-term effects on affected communities. In conclusion, while hurricanes and typhoons are essentially the same meteorological phenomenon, their differences lie in their geographic locations and naming conventions. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for global communication and disaster preparedness, helping communities around the world better anticipate and respond to these formidable forces of nature.